Yeah. It hurt at first, you know, to see her crying when you up and let her go. There's no denying, now I'm seeing you're the reason. Yes, it's true, we would never be together without you. So I'd like to